This is Tim at Mars Hill Downtown, Cam, Drew, and we're here Monday, the morning after a long Sunday, which was an amazing Sunday, which early on it looked like it was going to be one of those days, one of those hellish days. And early in the week, we were going Genesis 6 up in here with having some little flood action going on. And then I know you guys had some issues happening in your world.
Yeah, it was pretty crazy. When the stage got flooded, a bunch of our gear got wet, and we didn't end up having to practice on Thursday night like we normally do. So we all showed up here a little early on Sunday. We got here at 6:30, and there was other stuff going down. Sure enough, the printer broke down, and that's always just a bad sign. So
Bad sign.
we're up here practicing with no music, just kind of guessing, trying to remember how the songs went, and it was just looking like it was going to be one of those days.
Yeah, I know we have a tendency sometimes as humans to think that it's always up to us, and we need to be perfect, and we always need to be doing exactly what we need to be doing. And then it's amazing how God shows us that it's really about Him and up to Him. And Drew, you came, shared last night your testimony, and it was just a few short months ago where you showed up, and we're hoping to have a different outcome of showing up here.
Yeah, kind of just along those same lines, just like, thought I knew it was best what needed to go down, and a friend brought me along for my first time down here at Mars Hill 8 months ago. What I thought needed to happen was I needed to take her out of the church and get her away from Jesus, get her away from all this nonsense. Kind of just came here scoffing at the whole idea, making jokes on Pastor Tim and Cam here. I didn't care. I just thought it was all just garbage, but so yeah, then God just started working on me, and just like he said, he kind of tends to have a different plan than we come up with. And so fast forward 7 months, the beginning of September, I'm back here for the first time and getting baptized, and now serving under Pastor Tim and under Cam on his productions team, where these things are falling apart, and trying to help raise them back. So
Yeah, and you sharing your testimony last night,
yeah.
and then God using that, and using our mistakes and our frailty, and the Holy Spirit was just working. We saw a lot of people spontaneously get baptized, and even I had two gals come up to me last night at the 7:15 service, and I just said, I want to become a Christian. I want to follow Jesus. And it was just incredible to see God work in spite of our own mistakes, in spite of the times where we think it's up to us. It's not. And God uses our mistakes to show His glory and to see transformation happen in our hearts. And man, it is incredible to see that happen, and believe it's going to continue to happen. And thanks for sharing, Drew. It's good to have you, man, and look forward to see what happens here in the future. So